Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we built a LinkedIn lead generation workflow using the HTTP node and the LinkedIn Job Scraper API from Appify. But in today's video, we're going to make that workflow even better. We'll rebuild the same workflow, but this time we'll replace the HTTP node with the Appify node, which is now directly available in n8n. And one more thing, this entire workflow runs locally on your laptop using a local URL, so there's no need for hosting or any cloud setup. If you already have n8n installed, great, continue with me. If not, check out my previous video on how to install n8n locally using Docker. So let's start. In this workflow, we'll find job leads based on location, work type, and experience level. We'll get leads dynamically based on user inputs, fetch job details like company name, LinkedIn URL, company website, location, and salary, if posted, and finally append all of that data into Google Sheets. Let's get started. Go to your n8n dashboard, create a new workflow, and name it LinkedIn Job Scraper using Appify node. Now first, we'll use a form trigger node, or you can use n8n form trigger, because we don't want to manually enter input values every time. If you haven't seen our previous Appify Job Scraper video, I recommend watching that first to understand the basics. Now, let's set the required form fields for our Job Scraper actor. Inside the form submission trigger node, we'll add these fields. Job title required, because we always need a keyword to search. Job location required, since we want to fetch jobs by city or region. Published at helps filter only recent job postings. Total rows optional, if you want to limit the number of results. On-site or remote drop-down with options like on-site, remote, or hybrid. Job type drop-down with options like full-time, part-time, internship, or contract. Experience level drop-down with options like entry-level, mid-level, senior, or director. Once your form is ready, click Execute step and it'll open in a new window. Now test it by entering location as worldwide and job title as Laravel developer. Click Submit, and if everything is configured correctly, the node will run and pass all the data to the next node. Next, we'll add a code node to format our JSON data for the scraper. We need this node because some fields, like contract type and experience level, use specific key values instead of plain text. So we'll format our JSON properly before sending it to the scraper. You can easily generate this code using ChatGPT. Just ask it to generate n8n code for formatting LinkedIn Appify Job Scraper JSON. Click Execute step, and check that your JSON output is correct. Now comes the main part, the Appify node. Instead of using an HTTP node, we'll directly connect the scraper through the Appify node. If you're using it for the first time, n8n will ask you to install it. Click Install, and once it's added, you'll find it under the Community Nodes section in your n8n settings. You can also uninstall this node later if needed. When you open the Appify node for the first time, it'll ask for credentials. Go to your Appify console panel, click Settings, then go to API and Integrations. Copy your API key, paste it into the credential form in n8n and save it. Your credentials are now ready to use. Now in the Appify node, under Actor Source, if you've already used an actor before, select Recently Used Actors. If not, select Appify Store Actors and find the scraper you want. Here, I'll select the LinkedIn Job Scraper that we used in the previous workflow. Before running, make sure you've clicked Start or Rent for your actor in Appify, otherwise it might give you a credential error. Then click Execute, and you'll see the scraper run successfully. You can also check your runs in the Appify Dashboard Runs tab, where you'll see how many times your actor has executed and the details of each run. The best part about using the Appify node is that you don't have to paste any API endpoints manually. Just select your actor, connect your credentials, and you're good to go. We'll again use a code node to clean and filter it. This script removes duplicates and keeps only the most useful fields like job title, company name, location, job type, and experience level. It also ensures each record is unique based on the job title and company name. You can easily generate this script using ChatGPT. Just ask it to create code for removing duplicate jobs by company name and title. Finally, we'll add a Google Sheets node and set the operation to append row. Select your saved Google credentials. If you haven't set that up yet, check our previous video on how to configure Google credentials in n8n. Then select your sheet for me. It's called LinkedIn Job Leads. Choose the Sheet tab, enable mapping mode, and map each field name, company location, job type, and experience level. Click Execute Step, and done. All your LinkedIn job data will now be automatically appended to your Google Sheet. Open it, and you'll see all your leads neatly stored, organized, and ready to use. And that's it.